In this video, we are going to be analysing NIO. We can see they're down around 3.5% on the close of Friday. Obviously, markets have already closed, even though it's only 140, because it is a half day today. Now though, what are we looking at? What are key levels, support and resistances we're paying attention to? So as of right now, again, NIO would be something I'd be a bit more cautious on, because how are we trading? Firstly, we're kind of consolidating as of right now, but between what levels? $10.20 and $11.50. That's our statistical mean at $11.50 and our first deviation on the 6 month at $10. So really, anywhere in this range, you're kind of in a zone. And really, there's not much upside, so it's just a risky area to be taking the trade. So really, within here, not something I'd pay attention to, not something I would look to day trade or swing trade. Now, where does the trading opportunities come? So again, we broke down before to around 8.30. If we can break that 52-week low, good and strong trading opportunities come from 6.15 to around 5.40. These would be some good long bias areas. Again, expect at a minimum a bounce, but if not, this could definitely be a reversal area. Again, where would our closest target be? $10. So that's kind of our key target more. Obviously, we're looking profits along the way, but 4 points of upside again, risking no more than probably a point on that trade. You can get some really good risk to reward on that, and that would be my main trade opportunity that I'm paying attention to on NIO going forward. But what are other supports if we continue down? We have one at 225, and then really actually that's our final support. We can see our next ones go negative, and obviously we cannot trade a stock into the negative. So basically all this tells us is NIO, we have 3 supports going lower. These are our trade opportunities that I'm paying attention to if you're looking to trade NIO long bias. On the other hand, if you're looking for more resistances, you think we're going to move to the upside, what levels are we paying attention to? So 1390. Again, our other statistical mean. Key to note, again, an area I'm not looking to trade, because this would be our zone of our statistical means. You can see on the 1 year and the 6 month, this is its statistical mean. Really trading between this zone, is it all considered fair value? Buying it here, again, you're not buying at an overbought and oversold level, so you're just taking on a lot of extra risk. And really, I would never trade the stock in here, not to day trade, not to swing trade or anything. I would wait for a breakout either side. That's where the real trading opportunities will come, where you can get some strong and good risk to rewards. So if we break through there, we then have a resistance at around $18 to around $17.75. Strong short bias area. Again, look to play back the original tap. If you come back to retest it, then we're looking for the breakout. How do you find the breakout? Again, the way I look to trade them is break above it, come back to test it as a support, and if it holds, good indication that will continue higher. If we go higher, 21.60 is going to be that first target, then on to 24.25, and then $25.50, and some extreme levels going out to $29.30, $30.50, and $37. So obviously we have a lot of levels here. Do you need to pay attention to all of them? No. So the way the reason firstly we provide all these levels is just so you're prepared if we get any big movements. Earnings have been recently, but if any big kind of catalyst comes out, you see this stock move 40% in a day, which again, not all that likely, but definitely possible. Always be prepared. Then you have levels, whether it moves to the up or downside, you are prepared for those reactions. That's why we provide so many. But what do you actually need to focus on? So we're at $10.20. So you're only focused really, again, I'm not looking to trade within these zones of statistical mean. So really my focus is either $6.20 or $17.75. Once it moves to one of these levels, I have a high probability setup and a high probability trade opportunity. That's when I'm then paying attention. So again, it's good to know where the stock is, areas to definitely stay out of it, and then areas where I want to start entering. So really, that's all my main focus would be. I mean, I would just have an alert to the downside. If it comes down here, I'm looking to take it long. If it pushes up to around $17 or above, that's when I'm looking to flip more bearish on it. So that's how I'm using these levels. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.